Shit, go ahead, just turn around.
On May 5th, 2024, Baton Rouge police responded to a shoplifting call from a Walmart store. 3 adult women and a 15-year-old minor were detained at the exit by loss prevention staff.
With the spray?
Right here, this one, and this one.
Okay.
Yep.
The blue and the gray?
I don't know. She wasn't here to touch this.
Okay, stop.
Is that me?
Stop. We're all going to the LP office right now. Can you take those two? Go with them. Ma'am, go with them.
I was finna pay for my stuff, but no, I was just bothering her because she's sitting up here with the thing.
Over here.
You get what I'm saying? You heard me?
Wait, we will
You
figure
heard me?
everything out.
No, I was finna pay for my stuff, but she bothering me.
Who's bothering you?
Her. I just did my the lady, so that's why I just said let me go. This, yeah, she bothering me.
Come on, let's go.
I ain't even did. I got shit.
Let's go.
You heard me?
Let's go. We're going to the LP office. Come on.
Huh?
We're going to the LP office. Come on.
What?
We're going to the loss prevention office. Come on.
I didn't get nothing. The person that got the stuff is all right
I'm
there.
not going to ask you to stop. We're going here right now. Ma'am, I'm not going to ask you to stop. Guys, come
Okay,
on.
okay. Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Go. I'm not doing this.
That's not my stuff.
Go in there.
I was finna pay for my stuff. Okay, sir.
We're gonna figure out what's going on, and we're gonna go from there.
You return the bins?
Yes, and one of them, I told her she gave, that's why she gave me back the receipt, because she returned one more off of it, and I told her the other one didn't have, the bins was messed up that I couldn't close it. That's why I returned.
Okay.
So that's why I was putting
Oh, she got all these bins full of stuff?
Yeah, this one, full of stuff. That was the other girl. But that was the lady with the, I think that was her daughter or whatever she was.
That's one with the daughter, and the other two were
She claims she returned these bins at customer service, is what she's saying. No.
the bins.
Yeah, no, I see it.
Alright.
Okay.
I just had got to the rest.
He's doing the receipts for the entire bins completely full of items.
Okay.
No, I just got to the register. That's what I'm trying to let you
Yeah,
know.
the register.
But I was messing with her because she didn't even let me get time to take the rest of my stuff out. This is still that card.
Is it just the one part?
Yeah, they're
They're all in the LP office. We need all the stuff. No, I grabbed them all. I erased them all.
Back inside.
You say what? You're right.
Do things and not do things, because when they do it a certain way,
And then you get fucked up for doing. You're right, sir. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing but respect it.
All of them.
Who? No, so they try to say I didn't go to the register? Because I did. I went to the register. I was ranking up. I got my money. That's what I was doing. She didn't even let me finish before she went to do it. I'm like, what is you doing? You get what I'm saying? Who can I talk to?
Huh? What do you mean?
Who? I'm just trying to see who can I talk to.
You're gonna have to talk to the judge about that, okay?
What?
Alright.
I was literally. You can see that can I speak? Is it okay if I speak?
Nobody's doing right.
Okay. Is it okay?
She's
if
gonna
I
read
speak?
real
I'm gonna
quick.
read you your rights. Alright, and then we can talk about it, alright? Alright,
Everybody
all of
listen
you
up.
listen, I'm gonna read you guys your rights, okay? I am required to warn you before you make any statements that you make the that you have the following constitutional rights, okay? Everybody gotta say yes, okay? Yes. Alright. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statements you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statements and during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statements and during any questioning. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be at your own free will. Any statement you make can and will be used against you in the court of law. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
Okay. So, tell me what happened.
Okay.
3 legal issues anchor this encounter: merchant detention, group Miranda, and the resisting charge. Under Louisiana Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 215, a merchant may detain a suspected shoplifter. The Fourth Amendment seizure begins the moment the officer adopts that detention and issues commands. From that point, every action must rest on reasonable suspicion and any arrest on probable cause. Miranda versus Arizona requires warnings before custodial interrogation, not merely upon custody. Spontaneous statements made before questioning remain admissible. Volunteered speech is not protected. Here, the warnings are read to 4 people at once, including a 15-year-old minor. Berghuis versus Thompkins permits implied waiver, but the prosecution carries the burden of proof. A single collective yes from 4 people weakens that burden, particularly when one is a juvenile. J.D.B. versus North Carolina holds a child's age is a constitutionally relevant Miranda factor. Fair versus Michael C. requires totality of the circumstances review of any juvenile waiver.
Who want to go first? I'll go first. I just moved.
Okay.
I'm telling you the truth. I just moved. I was getting me some belongings, some washing stuff, because I have a whole bunch of clothes that I have to wash up, bathing stuff, my kids something to wear to school. I re-switched out the bins because the bins that I had, they wasn't no good. They was messed up. Okay. I just had to return with my receipts, no store credit, no nothing. I did put everything because I don't like that. I just literally had got to there and she was like, oh, let me see. I'm like, wait, hold on, wait a minute. I'm not even finished. You know what? Instead of going through that, I'm going to go to a register where they can just take out all my stuff and ring it up. She was making it seem like I'm trying to do something when I'm not. I was doing 2 separate transactions because I was going to do one with cash and one with my card. Okay. So I went. They can see. I went and stopped. You get what I'm saying? She went to bothering me. Towards the door. Yeah, I came towards the door because she was doing all this. I didn't even have finished ringing up me.
You?
I hadn't even.
Andrea?
Yes.
That's you?
Yes.
And
I hadn't
what's
even,
your name? Are you Maria?
Yeah, oh. I hadn't even finished you feel me, ringing up my stuff. I just walked to the thing. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, you're walking towards the door.
No, I know. Me and her was arguing, so I was doing like this, basically bothering her. But I was paying for my, I was finna pay for my,
The employee?
Yeah, the employee. Okay, the employee. She was basically, when she came to me, when I was ringing up, I was going to do 2 transactions. I was going to do my bins together, then I was going to do my trash can stuff, then I was going to do my soap and stuff. I was doing like this.
So I'm done. So if anybody, you 3 are going to go to county with me, okay? I got to take you in, okay? It is felony charges, all right?
What?
So
$929.
I'm going to, listen.
I was ranking up my...
On value. Louisiana Revised Statutes, Section 1467, sets the felony line at $1,000. The figure stated on camera, $929, falls below that statutory threshold. Absent aggregation or prior convictions, the surface facts support a misdemeanor, not a felony.
Stop. Take off your items, because it's going to have to go with her. They don't take property over at...
You can ask
listen,
the door. I'm just talking
they
to
want to
you.
press charges. I can't do anything about that, okay?
So you didn't see me ranking up my stuff?
You got to talk to the judge about that, okay?
So she didn't see me
Turn
ranking
around.
up my stuff?
Turn around.
Okay, can I get my cousin my stuff?
Yeah, you're good. Because I don't want you to...
Can I just tell...
No, not right now. You can't call anybody, okay? Because you guys are under arrest. So just place the phones right down here, okay?
I can take my phone with me.
You got the phones. You can go with.
So the only person, she's only 15, so we need to have someone to come pick her up.
I'll call my cousin.
We got her mom's.
Her mom is coming
Sir,
already.
that baby breast pump, that is mine. I can't
Okay,
give
you're gonna
that.
have to talk to the
That's
judge.
not part of it.
I was paying.
That's what I'm saying.
So y'all didn't see me ranking up my stuff first? Before I got in the
Okay, listen up. Stop. Ma'am.
Stop, we're done arguing.
Shakoya, listen.
I'm not trying to
stop.
argue.
Because the thing about it is, if you guys don't start cooperating, I'm gonna throw charges for resisting. Okay?
I'm not, sir.
Take this stuff out. Put this stuff because her mom's gonna have to take that stuff.
Okay, no, my cousin can. This my cousin.
You can
so
do that.
I can give my stuff to my
That's
cousin.
perfectly fine.
For real, I was paying for my stuff.
Shakoya, just turn around. Shakoya.
Bro, I was paying for my stuff.
Shakoya, turn around. Take the bracelet off.
They see me.
Shakoya, listen, you're gonna get resisting charges if you don't cooperate, okay? This is the last warning, all right? You're gonna have to talk to the judge, okay? They want to press charges. I can't do nothing about that. Turn around.
Do you have anything else on you?
He said customer service was closed. Oh my God, my boyfriend is gonna kill me. I didn't even do nothing.
All that stuff. And they'll just let me
I was
Just hang out with me real fast, all right? You're gonna get
I was literally paying for myself. Like, before I got into it, like, out of all people, I was paying for myself.
I get you. But right now, we're already past this point. Now I'm gonna take rest. But you're gonna go to court. Listen. Ma'am, you gotta relax. You can't do that. Come on. Come on. It's not that big of a deal. You're gonna go to court, you talk to them, it's gonna be all right. Come on. Come on. No, ma'am, relax. Stop. Ma'am, you gotta chill out. Come on, ma'am. Come on. Ma'am.
You're really making this hard for yourself.
Listen. Ma'am, get up. You can't. Listen.
Ma'am, get up.
You're doing this over a retail theft. Come on. It's not making no sense right now. You go to court, you talk to them. It's all right. You talk to them at court, get released, and then that's about it, all right? It's okay. You're making it worse right now.
Listen to me. Hey, listen to me. Listen to me. This is what's gonna happen. You're gonna go to listen to me for a second. You're gonna go to jail for the night. You're gonna have a bond, and you can fight it in court. Okay? Stand up. Listen. You talk to the judge in the morning. You get out. All right? You get charges out of night. You can stay there longer. You're gonna get resisting, and you're gonna.
You don't want more charges. Come on.
Come on.
Just stand up.
The resisting will stick.
Under Louisiana Revised Statutes Section 14-108, resisting requires a lawful underlying duty. A resisting charge collapses if the original arrest itself fails the probable cause inquiry. Louisiana courts also require active conduct. Passive non-cooperation alone rarely satisfies the elements. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista permits custodial arrest even for minor offenses authorized by statute.
Get up.
Stand up.
Stand up. Charge you with more. Get up. Come on, boy, let's go.
Come on.
We'll help you out.
Man, if you don't stand up, I'm gonna put the charges on you. All right. We're gonna do it together. 1, 2, 3. Step on. Step up.
There we go.
All right. Come on. Let's walk out. Come on.
Come on, boy. Let's go.
Come on. Let's walk to the car. Come on. They're all gonna come with you. Come on.
Now she's getting.
Just relax. It's not a big deal over this. It's retail theft.
No, it don't matter, but they see me paying for my stuff.
You be done with it.
I'm killing myself. I can't do it.
Just come on.
I can't do
Just
it.
right
I'm
out.
killing
Come on.
myself.
You're still going to jail.
I'm killing myself. You're still going to jail.
Come on. Boy, it don't make no sense you do this because you're just making it worse than what it needs to be.
Hell, I was paying for my stuff.
That's why you just tell the court. It's not a big deal. You're gonna watch the cameras and you're gonna be good, all right? Just take a seat.
You don't have anything
All right.
on you?
It's all right. We'll transport you up there. You'll be good.
Get in.
Just take a seat.
Get in the car.
You're all right. Take a seat. Take a seat.
Don't make this hard on yourself.
Come on.
It's hard, Lord.
It's all right.
Come on.
It's okay. It's all right. Take a seat.
Quiet.
Take a seat.
Watch
Take
your
a seat.
head.
Watch your head.
Watch your head. You're gonna
Watch
hit
your
your
head.
head. Come on.
Just put your
Come on.
feet in.
Put your feet in.
They're coming with you, so it's not a big deal.
She's gonna be in the car
But
with you.
I was
Come on.
paying for my stuff.
Tell them in court, man.
Tell him in court. You get to go to court over this. Just because
You
you're being
keep talking
charged.
about court, bro. You said a what?
You're just being charged. You're not
what?
being convicted.
It's not saying that you're guilty. You're just being charged with it. You're
Of
gonna go
a
to
felony
court.
charge? Are you
You're gonna be going to
serious?
court, and then you just let them know, hey, listen, I was
Of
with
a
these people.
felony
I was with
charge,
these
bro.
people, and I paid for my items.
I'm not doing this anymore. Get in
All
the
right?
car. You've been nice. Get in the car. What's up? Get your leg in the car. Get your leg in the car.
This is Burks.
This is my car. That's fine. Can you step out for me? I need you to step out. Come on.
You want the fire department to come check you out?
You want the fire department to check you out? Hey,
Ma'am.
come on. Wake up.
Ma'am, come on. Come on.
Wake up. Come on. You need to step out of the car.
Sequoia, step out of the vehicle. Here, put her in the Here, I got you.
Make sure feet up.
Got it?
She won transport.
She's unconscious.
She's not answering. she's breathing unconscious.
Sit down, sit down.
Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
Sit down.
24. Go ahead and give it to call 5, transport.
You're gonna work with us, all right?
She's not going to stand. She needs to be transported.
723.
Latoya, sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down. Sit
Level 6, can I get one more unit?
We're in the recovery.
51.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
551, Southeast 1st Street, Southeast.
Come on, we need to get you up. Can you get up for me? Can we help you up? You having a panic attack? What's going on? Can you talk to me at all? You hearing me?
Watch your head. Watch your head.
Watch your head. You're gonna hit your head on the cement. You don't wanna do that. Put your leg there, yeah. Are you hearing me? Come on. Wake up. Can you get up for me? Can you get up for me? Alright, let's get you up. Come on. Swing your feet around so we can help sit you up, okay? You just swing your feet for me, okay?
Sit on your butt.
Sit on your butt, okay?
The arresting officer earns a B-. Calm tone, correct juvenile protocol, prompt medical pivot. Deductions reflect the group Miranda waiver and an unsupported on-camera felony classification. The primary subject receives a D+. Continuous post-warning speech surrendered every Fifth Amendment shield. She never invoked silence and never requested counsel, despite a viable lack of intent defense. The second adult subject receives a provisional C- pending medical documentation of the collapse. Walmart loss prevention earns a B for proper exit point detention and clean evidence preservation. Lesson 1. Custody alone does not trigger Miranda. Custodial interrogation does. Silence must be invoked. Lesson 2. A group waiver creates evidentiary risk. Officers should advise and confirm individually. Lesson 3. Verify property value before classifying the offense. The dollar figure controls the grade. Lesson 4. A resisting charge must satisfy its own elements, independent of any verbal warning. Lesson 5. For any subject, the appropriate forum is the courtroom, not the loss prevention office. Let us know in the comments which legal issue you would like analyzed next. Thank you for watching.